Oh, almost. It's on the chair.
Yeah, I don't know if this is for the light or if that's for the light. Either way.
I think the one you're trying to reach for is for the light. Where's the other one come out of?
Up there.
Higher?
Yeah, it's about 6 inches past. Can't do it, man.
How about if I get on your shoulders?
How about you get over here? Put them right there, girl.
Okay, all else fails, you get the table. How about that?
Hey, I'm a Marine. Hoorah. There it is.
Yep. That ought to be good right there.
Put it on medium. Put it on low.
I think you turned it off, babe. Yeah. Babe.
It bit me.
What do you mean? It shocked you?
No, it was still turning.
Oh. They need to dust. Hey, should you turn it off and let me give you a rag and a broom? Dust it?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Not gonna happen
man.
on my watch.
I like to leave places better than what we found it.
Yeah, well.
You're my hero.
Got to be someone's hero. Plus, we have a fan that I brought up because you got to show the noise.
All right, well now we turn this fan down low because we need it because the ceilings are high to circulate the heat because it rises. Well, now it makes a noise. Listen. So my husband thinks he's going to put his tennis shoes up there and balance it.
Hello.
And we had to use the table to stand on. Oh, I see what he's doing. He tied the shoestrings together. Voila!
I mean, you know.
Oh my goodness! He's my hero!
I'm a problem solver.
Okay, what does Maybelle say? She could care less.
She's like, I don't know, he's coming back.